Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will continue our journey of being able to express ourselves. The topic for today's conversation is being able to talk about the positives of something. For example, my room is ventilated. Myon kamar chu havadar. Myon kamar chu havadar. Second sentence, your house is clean. Chon gar chu saaf suthra. Chon gar chu saaf suthra. Remember, saaf suthra in Kashmiri is spick and span, which means extremely clean. Third example, these flowers are colorful. In Kashmiri, it would be yim posh ch rangdar. Yim posh ch rangdar. These kids are hardworking. Yim shur ch setha mehanti. Yim shur ch setha mehanti. That was it in today's lesson. We will see you again in the next lesson. Until then, do subscribe to our channel and also leave us a message. Bye-bye.